Hi Capricorn. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. I see a lot of stubborn energy. I'm feeling it through my cards because they are really sticky. And guys, if you're being stubborn, please open up your energies while watching this video because sometimes we just get too rigid with our opinions and it's not a very good thing. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Got the Hermit card, Queen of Wands, Four of Wands, Two of Wands, Ace of Wands. A lot of fire energy, Capricorn. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Capricorn. Okay. I guess some of you are planning to, start a new journey. Card at the bottom of the deck is Five of Pentacles. That's your past, that's your major energy that you're getting out of. Guys, I feel that in the past, in the near, whatever, recent past, um, you've felt horrible, you felt as if you weren't good enough, you felt unloved, unworthy of someone's love, and you've planned to move on from that energy. There was a time when there was a period when you just wanted to be on your own, contemplate on things, concentrate on self healing, self love, and now you feel powerful. You feel even if it hurts a little, it doesn't bog you down, Capricorn, and which has led to someone feeling attracted to you and they will be reaching out to you very soon. Could be a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Could be a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn as well. You've got heavy Virgo energy here. So, yeah. Or actually, all the signs, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, could also be a part of this. Whatever hurt you or whoever made you feel unworthy, um, could be somebody who's very bossy and they wanted to just do their own things, or if not that, then they were really immature. Could be a Scorpio you were dealing with, Aquarius. There could be a possibility of a third party situation happening, where you found out that your person was involved with somebody else other than you, and well, you chose to move on, Capricorn. And yeah, now that you feel empowered, you feel beautiful, you feel that whatever you put your mind to, you'll achieve it. Because you're moving on from all that pain and you're clearing all that energy, that negative energy from your life. I feel that you have got somebody's attention, got somebody's eye, and they want to reach out to you and show you how beautiful you are, how capable you are of um, loving and being loved. And God knows you deserve it, Capricorn. So this person could be very stable, very financially very sound. They know what they want, they know how to get it, and I feel money wise, their financial stability is in place. But what they require right now in life is somebody they can share their life with. You know what I mean? Like material aspects keep coming and going, but that emotional bond is something that they lack. And they want to fill that space as well. They want a partner, they want to travel the world with you, they want to love you, they want to be loved. And probably all their life they have chased success, and now that they've reached that point, they want somebody in their life who can help them enjoy that success. Like they want a life partner, they want that companion that is lacking. And there are a lot of things that money can't buy, and that is true love. One of them is true love, and that's what they're seeking. And they see that you are one of those people who could be trusted. Probably they have been through broken relationships, and they're not willing to They did not want to indulge in any more people rather than, you know, instead they wanted to concentrate on their money and work and, prosperity. But now when they see you, they feel that their life could be complete with you. They can enjoy their life with having you by their side. So, Capricorn, probably you know who this person is, and if that person isn't in your life right now, they will be coming. So, keep a lookout. And meanwhile, you are moving on, you are feeling at, you know, you are feeling loved because you filled yourself with self love. Probably you're very close to your mom. Some of you could be very close to your mom, and she has helped you fight through this. If it so, this is not a gender specific reading. It could be either way. Energies are fluid, so take however it resonates with you. And in case this is not your story, please don't be disheartened. Go and check out your other signs, other placements. Get more information. Now, this card may or may not be related to the tarot. You can take it however it makes sense to you. Um, if you want me to integrate it in the tarot, I feel that whoever this new person is who's trying to reach out to you, get more information about them before indulging in this relationship or entertaining this person. There could be an age gap between the two of you. Either you are older or they are older. Or somebody could be more mature. Wow, show the world the real you. It's time to release negativity. Oh, you've got two cards. Okay. We'll take both. A time for healing. A new romantic cycle begins. So, as I mentioned, these cards are additional messages. They may or may not relate to this tarot, but you can take it however it wants, however you want. I'm so sorry. Um, so, as I mentioned in the reading, somebody wants to offer you a new beginning. Probably this new moon in Libra card is indicating towards that person who is trying to start a new romantic cycle with you. And as when I'd said that taking time to self love, self heal, it is a time for healing and show the world the real you. I know that now you're being yourself, you're being your true, authentic self who is pure and beautiful and worth loving. It's time to release negativity. You've moved on, guys. You're moving on from with the Eight of Cups, you're moving on. And it's great that you are, getting out of that negativity. So, this card is full moon and Scorpio, and you've got the Death card, which is also a Scorpio card. So, it could be you know, something that makes sense to you. If it does not, you should um, probably check out your other placements. Yeah, this is a confirmation, I guess, it's time to release negativity. Yeah, guys, Capricorn. I hope this reading made sense to you guys. And thank you for watching. Bye.